Chalo, chalo, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
See, Kedar is going to do this and say namaskaram.
Good morning, Kishore.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How
good
are
morning.
you?
I see someone praying. I see
Right.
someone reading God.
It's a boy reading.
Okay. Is that a good habit?
Yes.
sir.
Nasir is a amazing storyteller.
They have to go through so much of tension. They didn't know what to do, where to go, and all of them were like running all through the forest. Oh, dude, I know only one way. If the fire comes, you'll have to run. So run. To think fast and act fast. Come on, you're getting there. 4.
Wait, let me use my magic wand. This is my magic wand, okay? Abra, very good. Okay, let's see what. Let's see. Oh wow, it has joined together.
I found out in the first picture there is no bunny, and the second picture has bunny.
A vegetable, a carrot, a cheese, or bread.
Angry cow is very angry.
Today I have somebody very senior and quite knowledgeable in the field of parenting.
Parenting as such is a very challenging thing.
Kishore, thanks for the sessions.
Thanks to you all for your whole team. Organizing such a session is quite difficult, but you have done it in a very good way, and the kids are so involved.
The contents which you brought, right? The different topics you brought in week on week was really interesting for him.
Program was a holistic view. It was not just talking about one specific aspect of child development. As a parent, I was getting to know my daughter better through another person who is just observing her as an individual person. So that was very good as well. It worked very well, and I'm just excited to see what more you will develop in terms of a program, and then we'll be happy to be a part of everything that you do in future as well.
Programs like this really adds value to everybody, not just the child, everybody in the family. Thank you so much.
It was useful for him, and he too enjoyed participating in this program. And one more thing I wanted to highlight here is the letter writing thing, which you have done this, asked the kids to do.
Thank you so much. This is very encouraging.
Once a doctor advised cordial pills to a kid. Now we all know that these smell a little fishy, taste a little awkward, so the parents were really stressed that the kid might not take these pills. So every day it became a huge struggle to catch this kid, open his mouth, put the pill, close his nose and make him gulp down that pill. One day the parents were so frustrated, they said, let's have a break. And they did not give the pill, and they just put the pill on the table and went away. After some time when they came back, they were shocked to see that the kid was happily putting the pill in his mouth and swallowing it. The lesson was that the parents never realized all this while that the kid actually liked to take the pill. The kid could not express it, and with all this running, howling, shouting, catching him by his throat and shoving down the pill, they never realized that the kid actually liked to take the pill. Well, often in life, this is what happens to learning abilities as well. Kids actually love to learn certain things, or probably they have a learning style, but we as parents often look at this from our learning styles, from the way how we have perceived learning, or the way we have gone through probably a grueling experience of learning. Here is an opportunity where we bring to light those dark spaces of learning where you might be finding a gap, but we as professionals would find exactly the learning style of your kids and advise you on what would be an ideal environment for the kid to explore his learning. Zumanji is a 4-week intensive program that works on 5 different learning skills of kids, which especially they develop during the 6 to 8-year-old age. So if you have a kid in this age group and you're interested in their learning abilities, then please do join this online course. See you in the workshop. This is KVM Kishore.
Let's everyone do a happy dance.